What can you put down that she'd like?
Now she's interested in that tail, not my shoe.
Oh, your phone, maybe she'll go after your phone.
Here's how. You gonna call?
Here she comes.
Liam, what do you think? Go get it, Zoe. Oh. That's a lot of work, huh? How about you get off that head, sweetie? Huh?
Liam wants it.
Just get your foot off me.
Come on, you can do it. Liam, what are you doing, Lou? Is that your bank? Is that your bank?
She said, put it here. Zoe, get it. We want to smell it.
Uh-oh, there you go.
Chipped off. They were like, breaking in half. That's just.
There you go. Oh, that's one way to do it. Hi, Liam. Hi, what are you doing? Hello. Are you going to crawl as soon as I turn this off, Zoe? Oh, that's beautiful. Can you get off that head, please?